Yeah, friends, welcome back. Very good morning. Today we are going to be do the all installation parts for Java, Selenium, Java and Eclipse, and let's see that structure for creating the project, packages, classes, with naming conventions. So, friends, let me know whom can I make you presenter to make install this Java and Eclipse in your computer. Whom can I make you presenter?
I can help. Hello, I can be the presenter.
Yeah, Himanshu, I'm making you presenter, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, yes. So, friends, so let's try to install Java in computer first of all. Without installing Java, even we cannot open Eclipse also. So first of all, we have to install Java. So we have 17 version is in the market for Java. Even latest version 17 is there. Still, we will go downloading and installing Java 8 or 11 because 8 or 11 versions are compatible with all Apache products. So we even if you search Google, it will be in the top listed. So everyone can believe that whatever you search in the search Google search, which is coming top list, that's the best one. Similar way, even if you search in Google, so we'll go with download. So just start with Java SE development kit. Just search the keyword Java SE development kit. SE stands for standard edition. Just search with keyword. Here we can see. Don't click anything. Don't click anything. So you can see 11 is there, 17 is there, 8 is there, 16 is there. So actually, it should show as the latest. Along with latest, it also showing 11 and 8 also. Observe here. Java SC 8211, JDK 11, Java SC 17 RK downloads, Java SC 16 RK downloads. Have you observed? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go with the Java 8 version. So click on Java SC8U 211 and later. Just click on the link. Yes. So here the license terms has been changed since April 16, 2019. Friends, Java is a open source. It's a free, nothing to purchase any license to work with Java. But the license terms has been changed for Java since from April 16, 2019. What is that? The new Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE is substantially different from Oracle JDK licenses. The new license permits certain uses such as development uses and personal usage low cost. Personal usage means like you and me practicing the Java programs, not required to purchase any license for the Java. But even for development purpose also. In organizations, any software you're using means there also it should be a licensed software. Even there also in organizations using Java and developing the enterprise applications, there also Java license is absolutely no cost. So the new license permits certain uses such as personal usage and development uses at no cost. But other uses authorized under prior Oracle JDK license may no longer be available, which means other usage prior under Oracle JDK license may no longer be available. For other usage means we must purchase a license. For personal usage and development purpose, no cost. For other usage, it is a cost. What is the other usage? Please review the terms carefully before downloading and using this product. So commercial license and support is available with a low cost with the Java SE subscription. Friends, once you develop the enterprise application being in your organization means that enterprise application has to deploy in a production server, making available to the end customers. How you and me will be accessing the website once the developer develop the logic. That logic is deployed into the production server. Then only you and me can access that website just by website address. Yes or no? So once you are deploying the application in the production server, yes, there to run your enterprise application production server, we require some Java software. So in commercial terms, that comes under commercial terms. Yes or no? When you are deploying that code into the production server, and the customers are accessing your application to run your application in a production server, and so where we have to purchase license for the Java. So that's what saying that commercial license and support is available with low cost with the Java SE subscription. So for personal usage, development usage, no cost. For commercial terms, we have to purchase the Java. Understanding? These terms and conditions has been changed since April 16, 2019. Okay, now? Yes, for our purpose, it's absolutely free. Let's come down, sir. So Java is a platform independent programming language. Java is a platform independent programming language. So my Java can be installed in various platforms like Linux, okay, Linux, Solaris, Mac, and Windows. Any one of the platform, my Java can be installed, and write a program in one platform, can execute in the same platform or another platform without any compiler dependencies. Generally, every operating system having their own compilers. So the program which is developed, built in a Mac OS can execute in the same Mac OS, or it can also execute in Windows operating system also without any compilation issues, because it's a platform independent programming language. Write in one, execute in the same, or we can execute in another platform also without any compiler dependencies. Okay, now? So come down. So if you want to download Java, if you're using Linux platform, Linux supported Java needs to download. If you're working with Solaris, Solaris supported. If you're working with the Mac, Mac OS. See there, we can see Mac OS x64 DMG installer is there. That the people who are working with Mac, then you have to download that Mac supported Java above one. Okay, if people are working with Windows, yes, if people are working with Windows, and down we can see Windows x86 and 64 installers are there. 64 means Windows 64-bit operating system. 86 means 32-bit operating system. I hope everyone will have a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so then go with Windows x64 installer to download. Yes, that one. Just accept that and download JDK. Here it is asking to provide a Oracle credentials. So I think you don't have it. Just you try to register it. Just click on create account. There fill all the mandate fields. Please give your working email address, because you will be getting the verification code to the mail ID. And the password must be minimum 8 characters. Click on create account, sir. Sir, listen. You didn't feel. Why you are being hurry? Why you are being hurry?
No, I think my account is already created.
Sorry?
I think my account is already there.
Already there? Just a minute, just go there, sir.
Okay.
Let me explain people. Yeah. See, friends, here we have to fill all the mandate fields, email address and password. And password must be minimum 8 characters. That should include uppercase letter, lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. And password should not be same as the email address. Like this, minimum 8 characters you must provide as a password. And country, first name, last name, title, work phone, company name, address, anything you can use, but all the star marks, which are mandate fields. Once you register, only if you click on register, then you will be getting the mail from the Oracle saying to verify that account. If you click on verify email address button in the mail, what you got, then you will get verified. Your mail got registered and verified. Then with this email address and password, you must log in. Sir, I think you said he's having, right?
I'm not sure whether this is there.
Better you do this, sir. Better you do this.
Yeah.
So give the first name, last name, and job title, give anything, senior associate or whatever it is, QA, work phone, give anything, your wish, a company name, infodecker, Dell, whatever it is, TCS, whatever it is, Wipro, whatever company address we can give, Pune or Bangalore, Hyderabad, something like this. Company name you forgot, working phone, and company. All star marks are mandates, friends. Working phone. Phone you missed, sir. So friends, am I audible, everyone? Everyone audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Firoz, can you please check, sir? Everyone able to listen me, but Firoz, can you please check, sir? I think Firoz is facing some problem, technical issue. Yeah. So friends, once you fill all the mandate fields, then you click on create account. See, you will be getting a mail to the registered mail ID. Please log in here, sir. Please open one more tab and open Gmail and log in with your email address. You'll get a mail from Oracle for verification. Just type gmail.com, sir. See friends, he got a mail from Oracle. Click on it. You come down. 1 second. Where is that button? Have you verified your email address? Email verification is required. Request a new verification mail. Sir, with this account you already registered, sir.
Yeah, I think it's already registered.
Yeah.
I will.
We have received request to create Oracle account using the email address. You already have your Oracle account with this email address. Once here, he has already registered with this account. That's why it is saying that already registered. Otherwise, you'll get some verify email one button will be coming, friends. Along with this information, okay. So in second line we can see have you verified your email address? Otherwise, request a new verification email is saying that, right? In place of this link, you'll get one button verify email. If you click on that, your mail will get verified. So already he is having that account. Sir, please go to the Oracle login page, sir. Login tab. I think it's a yeah, here it is. There you provide your email address and password. For case, they will getting the button verify email. Okay, then we'll come here and will be sir,
Yeah,
password, right? While
yeah,
registering, right?
I'm not able to recall
Forgot
it.
that password.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yes, forget the password, friend. That's why he's resetting. Go to email and check. Reset. Click on it. Friends, he has forget the password. That's what he is resetting the password, friends. To do all those things from your end also because he has forgot what he has provided. That's why he's resetting. Once you verify your account, directly you can log in with your email address, registered email address, and registered given password. Yes, he forgot. That's what he is updating the password. Go to the right login page now, sir.
Here only.
Now you provide your registered email address and your updated password right now.
It's asking bad.
Is that password is correct you have provided?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay. Now go to download, sir.
Yeah, it's open now. Yeah.
Go to downloads. Downloads folder. Anything not downloaded? Go to that application. What has got now? No, not this. What is asking for, sir? Anything is missing? One second. User email. One second. Wait, sir. Please. Go top. Go top, sir.
Go top. Okay.
Wait here. This has been verified. Recent verification mail. Once again, you click on recent verification mail, sir. Check your mail, sir. Verify email address. Now you log in, sir. Now it got verified. Now log in perfectly now.
From continue only.
No. Go to login, please, sir.
Okay.
Go one step back. Go one step back. Go one step back. Go one step back. Go one step back, sir. And now you provide. See, sir, downloads folder. Is it downloading anything? Anything is downloading?
No, it's nothing.
Sir, can do one thing, sir. Take one more minute to register, sir.
Okay. So let me open new.
Yeah. Please try to just search with the Java SC development kit. Let's do Java SC development kit. Java SC development kit. There, Java SC8US. Come down in Windows 64. Yes, just click on it. Your new mail ID, sir. I already have reached. Oh, now it is downloading. Oh my God. Now it is downloading, sir. See, observe here. Something, some irregularity is there. Fine.
So should I click on this?
No, wait. It is downloading, sir. It is downloading. Wait, sir. Friends, actually, his account, technically some issue is there. That's what it is not downloaded earlier. Now, same process we are doing, it is downloading. Okay, fine. Now, let's try to install this. So, most of the people will download Java, and once they install, they're saying my Java is not working proper. Friends, once you proper Java, and once you try to install, two components get installed. One is JDK, another is JRE. One time is enough, sir. It will take some time to load this. Two components installed. but during installation part. One is JDK, another is JRE. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Runtime Environment. These two components will get installed during installation process. Okay, so if anyone is not there, you'll get like Eclipse is not open due to this so component is not there like this. So if you follow this process to download like this, you'll get download software of Java, then we can install, then JDK, JRE comes. Click on next button here. Now see here first what is installing. C program files, Java, JDK component is getting installed. First component JDK. Now click on next button. Soon after some time, it is going to be prompt one more pop-up saying like, do you want to install JRE? Is there also click on next. So these two components are must. Some will be downloading only JDK, some will be downloading only JRE. The friends, two components must be available. So if you follow this process, as proper software will get downloaded, and these two components we can expect in installing. Okay. So without installing Java, even Eclipse also will not open because Eclipse also dependent on a Java JRE. So without installing Java, even if you try to open Eclipse, it will not open, friends. It will say first install Java. That's why first of all we are installing Java, then only we are opening the Eclipse. Eclipse is the IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, where we used to develop our programs in that Eclipse IDE. In that Eclipse, we used to create a Java projects. In that projects, we created packages. Inside the packages, we created classes and interfaces. Okay, now? So to work with Eclipse, we must first install the Java. That's what we are doing that. So first, JDK component is getting installed. Soon after, is going to be installed JRE.
What is the difference, sir? What is the difference between JDK and JRE?
JDK component is meant for scripts. So JRE is meant for to execute the scripts.
Okay. Install to C program file Java JRE 1.8.0 hyphen.
Yeah, JRE. Yes, click on next.
Okay, now it's installing JRE. JDK is done.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, is that offline batch also, sir?
Sorry?
Offline batch also available, sir? This,
No, no, no. Only on.
sir, when will be the started, sir? Offline, sir?
No, sir. Only online classes.
Okay, thank you.
So once it get installed, so can you please open C drive, program files, Java. There we can see JDK, JRE two components will be available in program files, C drive, program files, program file, Java. There you can see, of course, yeah. So today is 29th March. See, JDK, JRE two components are there. I think May 22 you have installed Java 11, I think, right? Yeah. See friends, JDK, JRE two components are available for 8 version. Got it? It got installed. Today is 29th of March. Yes or no? Fine. Now see how the process is installation is done. Don't click anything, sir. Just come to the installation process. Please finalize. Yeah, click on close. Click on close. Sir, down what is some one more Java file is there, see sir? The taskbar. I think you have double clicked to install Java 2 times, I think. Cancel it. Fine. Fine. Now see friends, JDK, JRE two components gets installed. If you want to even check whether Java is installed or not in a computer, you can also check in command prompt also. Sir, open Windows R in the keyboard. Windows R. Just command prompt. Yeah, click on command prompt. Search Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version.
iPhone.
Okay.
Java space hyphen version. Of course, 11 is showing. Okay, so we need to set the path of the 8. Okay, na? Otherwise, if you want, you can set the path of, because you have 11 and 8 is there. Which is highest version, sir, among these two? 11, right?
11, yeah.
11.
That's what showing as a 11. Otherwise, if you want to execute your programs using Java, it means we have to set the path in the command prompt. Of course, in Eclipse, not require all those things. Suppose if you want to set the path instead of 11 to 8, they can set it. How do you set? Anyone know that? Huh?
In the
Anyone?
environment,
Anyone know?
Yeah, good morning, Ravi Kanth. Actually, we want to set the path using copying the bin folder that path into this command.
What is the command? Do you know that?
cd slash sync
Set no,
set path.
set in the command prompt. Set is path equals now come to your location where the Java is installed. Go
Copy.
inside JDK folder of 8. JDK 8. Go inside the bin. Go inside the bin. Copy that path. Copy that path. Yes, copy. And come to set here. Enter.
okay.
Now Java space hyphen version. It's set to 8, right? So if anyone you want to execute any Java programs based on 8 version, yes, now you can run in a 8 version like this. If you want to run on 11 means, so then you have to set as a 11 version like this.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to run through command prompt means we have to set the path like this. In Eclipse,
Okay.
not required. Okay, fine. So fine. Now Java is installed successfully. Okay, JRE components are available. Now let's try to download the Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, where we used to develop your programs, Java programs or automation programs, whatever it is. So let's search with Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. where E stands for Enterprise Edition. You click on it. Little bit scroll down, sir. Scroll down. Down. Wait here. More downloads. Yes. Wait here. We can see here more downloads. The Eclipse versions are available. Yes. From starting down to the upwards 4.16 to 4.23 is there. Okay, these are the Eclipse versions. Better you take a Eclipse 4.16 version because it's compatible with Java 8 series. That's why let's click on Eclipse 4.16. Click on it. Come down. Wait here. Wait here. First heading, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers heading is there. 391 MB is their size. And right side we can find Windows, Mac OS, and Linux is there. Like how you downloaded the Java irrespective of the platform. Similar way, we are downloading the Eclipse irrespective of the platforms. If people are working with a Mac support Eclipse needs to download Mac as that one. If the people are working with Linux supported Eclipse, you have to download. If people are working with the Windows supported Eclipse needs to download. Yes, click on the Windows x86 and 64. It will be in a zip file. We have to extract that. Then only we can open the Eclipse, friends. Sir, did you connect it through mobile network?
No, it's a Wi-Fi only.
Wi-Fi only? Okay. So friends, let it get download. In meanwhile, let's discuss some information. Okay, instead of wasting time, let it get download. So friends, so Java is downloaded and get installed, and Java was perfectly working. And also, just now we put download for Eclipse IDE. So once it get download, we have to extract it because it was in a zip file. Once it extracted, if I click on it, one Eclipse IDE is getting open. In that Eclipse IDE, we can build our programs and we can execute our programs. We can debug our programs. Okay, now, even to open Eclipse without installing Java, Eclipse will not get open, friends. That's why firstly we have installed Java. Okay, fine. Now after opening this Eclipse, in that Eclipse, the first we do create a Java project. Inside the Java project, we will be creating the packages. In packages, we create a classes interfaces. Okay, now I'm following the structure. To build all these things. If you want, I can show you. Friends, here, if you are purchasing any product, for any product, we're having some documentation or not. Even if you purchase mobiles, even if you purchase cameras, even if you purchase digital TVs, even if you purchase automobiles, or anything, you're getting some document or not? What the document contains? That product specification and features. Yes or no? Even for software also have their own API documentation, application, programming, interface documentation. For every software also we have a API documentation. Even for Java, C#, Ruby, Python, Scala, whatever languages we having, for every language we have a API documentation is available. Okay, now. So now what is the version of Java we are using, friends? Java and version 8. Of course, we have Java 9 is there, 10 is there, 11 is there. Every version we have a respective document. Take example, if you want to purchase Shift Car, Shift Desire, which having variants LDI, VDI, ZDI. One variant features is different, another variant is features is different. So every variant having its own documentation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Similarly, Java 8 having its own documentation, Java having its own documentation, 10 is having its own documentation. We are using Java 8 means we have to follow the Java 8 API specification document. Yes or no? In the document, see that project, we can see the packages, we can see the existing classes, we can see existing interface also. Okay, I think it got downloaded. Let's get extracted. Let's open the folder, sir. Showing. Let's try to extract. Right click on it.
Should I, copy it in the other folder or downloads only?
Let's extract here. Extract all. Yeah, extract. Let it get extract. Okay, fine. Click on extract. Let it get extract. So friend, in meanwhile, please open one browser and just search with Java 8 API in a browser, because we are using Java 8 version. So I must follow the Java 8 API version. Java space 8 space API. API stands for application. Java 8 API. That's it. Fine. Click on that. Here we can see in the center window, we can see that platform standard edition 8 API specification document. Heading is there or not? If I want 9 means just search with the Java 9 API. 11 version you're working means Java 11 API. Like this we can search, because version to version new libraries got introduced. Yes or no? Fine. So now we are using 8 version API documentation we need to follow, right? See, we can see 3 frames are there. Left side top frame is a packages. Yes or no? So many packages are there. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Click any one of the package, sir. Click any one of the package. In second frame, see down in the package what it contains. In down frame, interfaces and some classes are available. Yes or no? Click any one of the class. Click any one of the class. The right side we can see that class detail information is available in the third frame in the right side. Here class called layout. If you scroll down in this class, scroll down, here we can see some constructors are there, some methods are there which are defined, predefined in this class. Got it? In a project we will have a packages. Under the packages we have a classes and interfaces. Under inside the classes we have a methods, constructors, and also some fields also will be available, friends. Understanding? So we have to follow the structure in building a project, packages, classes, while following these syntaxes. Yes, first once we open Eclipse, we will create a project. Under the project we create a package. Creating the package, we will be following some naming conventions. If you can observe in the packages, java.applet, java.awt, java.awt color, we can see so many packages. Observe, sir, move the cursor on the left side. Then, yes, in the packages section, sir, not in this packages. Yes. If you can observe the package name, first thumb rule is in creating the package, it should start with the lowercase. If you can observe, every starting word, starting character is a lowercase. Java, J lowercase. Yes or no? And second thumb rule is package name, what you giving, it should be starting company domain name. All these are Java related. That's why Java. Starting the company name as giving like this. Yes or no? First thumb rule is company domain name needs to give, and it should be starts with the lowercase. These are 2 thumb rules. And third thumb rule is the package name should start with, should be maintained in a dotted structure. Java.applet, java.awt, java.awt, just like this. 3 thumb rules needs to follow in creating a package. One is starting package name should be given as a lowercase, and package name starting should be a company domain name and should maintain as a dotted structure. These are the 3 thumb rules needs to follow in creating the packages. Okay now, so what is the reason behind maintaining package in a dotted structure means, suppose see java.applet is there. Java is one folder, applet is one subfolder. Sir, can you please click on that package, sir? Java is one folder, applet is one. Under the applet subfolder, we can see classes and interfaces of respect to applet category. Understanding? And category base, they are maintaining. See, like how the libraries books are maintained. Social books, science books, physics books, Telugu books, English books, like how the category they maintain. Alphabetical like this. Same way, they are maintaining here like this. All the applets related in classes interfaces will be under this package. All the java.aw.colors related will be there under this package. Okay, now like this happen. Click any other package, sir, other than this. Just click on java.lang or IO. Just see here also we can see all the IO. IO stands for input, output. All reading, writing related classes interfaces will be presented in the java.io package. Here in the java.io package, we can see the classes: buffered input, buffered output stream, buffered reader, buffered writer. Like these reading, writing classes will be available under this java.io package as category based. Okay. Yes. We have seen how to create a package naming conventions. Under the package, we will create classes and interfaces. To create classes and interfaces, we have to follow some naming conventions. We have to follow some naming conventions. See here, if we can observe buffered input stream. In this class, we can see three are there. Buffered input stream like this. If we can observe maintaining camel case, buffered B caps, input I caps, stream S caps. Camel case we have to follow. Not only for classes, even to create interface also, we have to follow some camel cases. Can you please scroll up? See the interfaces: data input, data D caps, input I caps, data D caps, output O caps. So camel case. So even to create a classes interfaces, we have to follow some naming conventions just by giving each word starting character is a uppercase. So like this we are going to be creating. So see how far it is extracted. Still happening. Almost 40%. Fine. Let's discuss something. You come to the document. So like this, we are following naming conventions in creating the classes and interfaces just by following the camel cases. How many words you want to give as a class name interface? Your wish. But each word starting character must be the uppercase when creating classes or interfaces. Now click on the class. Buffer input string class, you click on it. Yeah. Here right side, see in this class, if you come a little bit down, we can see some predefined fields are there. Come down. Some fields are there. Come down. And if you can observe, constructors are there. And if you can observe, some methods are there. Understood? Like this, each class will have fields, constructors, and methods. All these are predefined. Yes or no? Predefined.
Yes.
Is everyone clear? Fine. So let it get extract, sir. Let me take control of my system. I'll show you how to. So friends, once you extract, one second, let me show you. Once you extract, it will be like this. See here. So this is what the zip file you are extracting. Once you extract, it will come like this folder. Once you go inside this folder, once you go into the Eclipse folder, there we can see the Eclipse icon is the blue color ball. If you double click on it, the Eclipse IDE is going to be open like this. Eclipse IDE is going to be open like this. This is the Eclipse IDE environment. Here, of course, I have so many projects I created for relay batches. So for your case, no projects will be there in your case. Firstly, you're opening Eclipse means this projects will not be there for you. It will be empty. So now first we will be creating the project. How do we create a project in Eclipse? Go to File menu, New Project. If you can see the Java project directly, you can click on Java project. If you're not supposed to see this option, then you click on project. There you click on a Java project, click on next button. Here we need to provide a project name. April 9 a.m. Java batch. So what the project name I provided, it was storing under the workspace D and so folder. Under this my project is getting stored. If you want to store this project in some other working directory, you can uncheck this and you can click on browse to specify where this project has to store. Okay, now fine. So friends, for every project you create, Java libraries are getting associated. Friends, we have installed Java 8 in your computer. You're supposed to build and execute the programs, Java programs using Java 8 only. If you want, select whatever versions you want to. Whatever version you are selecting, make sure that version needs to install in your computer, then only it will work. Okay, now for every project you create, Java version is going to be associated, whatever version it is. But Java has to be associated for every project creates. Version is your choice. On what version you want to build and execute the programs, that we have to select it. Fine. Next is finish. Java batch. Fine. Here we can see Java 8 libraries got associated and SRC dummy folder gets created when I'm creating the Java project. Next, under Java project, we create a package. In creating the packages, we follow some naming conventions. So first, how to create a package? Right click on your project, new package.
Sir, excuse me, sir. One error
Yes.
came. An
Yes.
unexpected error is keeping you from copying the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code.
Sorry,
I'm getting an error message.
who is this?
Himanshu only. Himanshu.
Himanshu. What you're getting error, sir?
Binary search tree.js.map. While interrupted action is coming while extracting.
Yeah, will you please accept? Try again. Skip. See, friends, I will suggest to everyone, whenever you are extracting the zip files, so make sure when you are trying to extract, use some third-party tools like WinZip, WinRAR, or 7zip, whatever it is. Better use that. That will be very secure to extract the files. Some files will not take chance to miss the files because he's not having any third-party software to extract. That's what some of the files are not getting copied like this. Better when you are trying to extract any softwares, better use some third-party extraction tools like WinRAR, WinZip, or 7zip, whatever it is. So,
Okay. Can we download it, sir, now?
Sorry?
Can we download it now?
Later you can do it, sir. No issues. That's a personal. Okay.
Okay.
Visual Studio, yes. One person is asking question. VS Studio are using. Yes. So we can use IntelliJ, Visual Studio, Eclipse. So many IDEs are there. Some companies will use IntelliJ, some will use Eclipse, some will use Visual Studio. All these are IDEs, integrated development environments, where we supposed to build. Fine. Let me
पाणी
continue.
भरलाय का तुला? हो भरू ना.
So
माझा
fine.
क्लास चालू.
So yeah, now here, now what I was doing, I was creating package under my project. Just right click on my project, new package. Here we provide a package name. naming convention in giving package name starting with the lowercase. If I give uppercase, what happens? No error, simple gives the warning. Discourage package name by convention. Package name usually starts with a lowercase letter. So it should start with the lowercase. And second thumb rule is start with the domain name. Suppose I was working with ICICI client. I was giving ICICI. In that ICICI, we have so many banks are there. Sorry, Kotak. Sorry, ICICI having so many modules are there. That main module is a loans. In that loans, we have so many subcategories are there. Car loans, home loans, mortgage loans, education loans, personal loans. Like this we have. Okay, na? ICICI.loans.home loans. Click on finish. Like this, I can create n number of packages. If you want to create one more package, just right click on a project, new package. We provide ICICI dot loans dot. I was giving car loans. Everything I am typing like this. So friends, instead of typing every time like this, right clicking on project package, better you do right click on existing package, new package. So simple, we will change whatever we want. Not required to write completely while right clicking on the existing package. If you right click on project means there you have to type completely from the structure. Okay, now. So the region behind maintaining package in a dotted structure internally represents as a subfolder. If you know the project root directory, physically you can go and open. If you don't know the location of this project, no worries. Right click on it, properties. In the location you click on this arrow mark, it routes to your project working directory. SRC. ICICI is one folder. Loans is one folder. Your car loans, home loans, personal loans, we have some folders like this. Getting? So maintaining package in a dotted structure internally represents as a subfolder. All the car loans related functionalities will be under this folder. All home loans related will be coming under this folder. All personal loans coming under this folder like this. Okay, na? Just like library, how we maintain like this, it was organizing. Fine. Under these packages, what we create? So under this package, what it contains? It contains interfaces and classes. To create class or interfaces, we must follow some naming conventions, which is camel case. Here, buffered B caps, input I caps, stream S caps. Buffered reader, buffered B caps, reader R caps, like this. Okay, now. So I will create a class under this package. Right click on it, new class, new class. So I'm giving, so I will give lowercase means it gives warning, no error, just gives the warning. First class, first F caps, class C caps, first class. For every class you create, the default access modifier will be the public. By default, for every class you create, the default access modifier is a public. What are these modifiers? We'll talk in the next sections. Okay, now. So for every class you create, super class always be the object class. Okay, now for every class you create, default modifier will be the access modifier will be the public, and super class always be the object class. Friends, tell me, first class is a predefined class, sir? User defined class, sir? First class is a predefined, user defined class, sir?
User
User
defined.
defined class, not predefined. It's a user defined class. For not only for user defined class, even for predefined class also, default access modifier is a public, super class is object. Let me show you predefined class. All these are predefined classes or not? By Java community. If I click on this class, here we can see the default access modifier for this class is public or not, and super class is object class or not. Take any other class. So what is the access modifier for this? Public. Super class is what? A object class. Yes or no? So for predefined class or for user defined class, yes, access modifier is a public by default. Super class is always be the object class. Next, public static void main. This is a main method where generally every class execution starts with the point is a main method. For every class we have a main method. That's a execution starting point. Just check this public static void main string args. Click on finish button. No class got created. In this class, we have a main methods. Here is a main method. This is a class open close curly brackets. Inside we have a main method. Yes. Now, if I want to run this program, just click on this run. Nothing is happening because in this main method, no statements were there. If you want to print any message, let's use system.out.println. Okay. A shortcut, no need to remember completely system.out.println to type. In each word, 3 characters is enough to type. In system, yes, ys, out, out, just give control. System.out.println. Just give the hello message. Hello message. Just run this program. See friends. Understood friends?
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat after typing system?
This one? Okay.
After
System.out.println,
typing,
which prints the messages. Okay. The shortcut is in each word 3 characters needs to type. In system, yes, ys, out, out, just give control space. Control space. That's it.
okay.
Control space. sys, out, just give control space without giving any spaces. Okay, na? Then inside it is taking string. Give double quotations. Just give hello something. Any message you give. Just click on save and just click on run this program. Then you can see hello message is coming. Okay, na?
Okay.
Like this, can I create a number of classes under this package or not? Can I create? Yes, I can create. See here, in one package, in Java.io package, see how many classes are there? So many are there. Likewise, I can create n number of classes. Yes. One more class, what to do? Just right click on this package, new class. Just you like second.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Himanshu here. Our installation is that Anrar is done.
Sorry.
That we are extracting, right?
No.
So that is done.
Okay. Let it be. Okay. Yeah. So next, finish. I'm not selecting main method. I'm not selecting main method. Just click on finish. Just give the class name and don't click any checkbox. Public static void main string args. Just click on finish. So just run the second class. Starting friends. Previous first class results is coming as a hello output. So which means the conclusion here, for every class to execute, we must have a main method. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, do I need to type the public static void main string args? The complete structure? No, friends. Just you give the method name main in this second class. Main, just to give control space and click on this main. Structure comes. Got it? Just method name, main method name as a main, and just give control space. Just click on it. Understood, friends?
Yes, sir.
Any methods you want, just give the method name, just give control space, automatically method structure will build. Inside print any statement, what we use? System.out.println, shortcut is scissor out, control space, and just give hi message, save this program and run this program. Hi
Sir, I
message.
wonder how it give the output of the first Java class, whereas we run the second Java class, right?
It is giving previous result output, sir. Previously what got executed, that output is giving, sir. That's why I'm saying that for every class we must have a main engine, sorry, main class, main method.
Okay, got it.
To execute the class, we must have a main method. See, if you're purchasing car means, will you take other car engine, your car engine to drive your car? Your car engine should be there. The same way, for every class must have a main method. Main method is a starting execution point for every class. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And if you want to use existing classes, you can see in Java we having so many predefined classes are there. So many predefined classes are there. It's Java different classes. If we want to make use in our existing project, yes, I can use it. Suppose I want to use file input stream class in my current project. Yes, I can use it. So if I give FIL, so friends, so many are coming friends with file FIL, so many are coming friends. So I want very exact one, I need to filter out like this. So instead of doing like this, what I know. So file input stream. File input stream, 3 words are there. File input stream, 3 words are there. In file, 3 characters. Input, 3 characters. Stream, str, 3 characters. Just leave control space. See, now it got filtered. Yes or no? File input stream, 3 words are there. In each word, starting 3 characters you provide and give control space. Automatically it comes. Understanding, friends? Like this, any existing class you want, just type like this. In each word, 3 characters we provide and give control space. Automatically the class structure comes. Is everyone clear?
Yes.
Today we have seen that how to download the Java and installation of Java. We have seen that how to download Eclipse, how to extract. We have seen that. And I shown you how to click packages and classes convention and how to print as statements. Also, we have seen that. Tomorrow we'll talk about detailed discussion about Java classes and Java interfaces with the structures we are going to be discussed.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. This is Alam, sir. Sir, my doubt is, sir, as you mentioned that the course content, the core Java up to sir collection.
Sorry.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
As you mentioned that the yeah, course content. Sir, the course content of the core Java up to sir collection. So, sir, yeah, sir, is it the fully required for testing part or only for the basic things, sir? It will be required, sir.
In collections, we use a list set map, sir. These 3 will be covered, sir. List set maps.
Okay, sir. Fully, sir, with sir concept, concept or only for the basic. It will be.
Libraries. See, these are the libraries we use in automation. List implementation classes, set implementation classes, map implementation classes. For iterations, cursorless iterators we use. All these concepts we use in collections in automation.
As per sir, development side, whatever the required.
See, you are looking for development means so many libraries are there, sir.
Okay.
Now, for development you are looking for means you have so many libraries are there. Okay, now.
Okay. But sir, as per the testing, but
even
only for the
developers also will be using list set map only. Mostly they'll use, sir. Apart from that, so many classes are there. See, do you believe that I shown you these many libraries? Do you believe that everyone use all these things libraries? Do you believe that? Will the people use all these things? No, right?
No, sir.
Never required that, only use that. That's it.
But testing, but as per tester, sir, only for the basic thing it will be needed, sir.
Enough. That to list a set the maps. These are three only will be used.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, friends, done for today. Tomorrow's agenda will discuss about the class interface and abstract class. These are the constants will be discussed in the tomorrow's session. And Thursday onwards, as I said, 8 to 9 will be the Selenium classes will start. And I said 9:30, right? Not 9:30. 9 to 10 only the Java classes will be followed. The link will be different for that. 9 to 10. 8 to 10 will be the Selenium classes and 9 to 10 will be the Java classes. That will be from Thursday onwards. Tomorrow we have a session on Java, same timing 8 to 9 only. Okay, na? Fine.
Sir, same link.